know, part of Folktopia is using tools to create things, to fix things. And I recently had the opportunity to use my Ryobi power washer to power wash my father-in-law's deck. I'll show you a couple of the details of the project and you can see how some of these things work. I started out with the low pressure nozzle using a Zep all-purpose power washing detergent. Just getting everything soaked in and letting that detergent work on the old grease and dirt on the deck. And then now I'm working away with the surface brush. You can see that I masked off the nice French doors to the patio. I'm glad that I did that, but the surface brush does also help contain some of the backsplatter. Prior to filming, I did a test section, and it's in surprisingly good condition for being over 30 years old. It advertised that it would be 4 times faster than using it without it, and it's true. Folktopia is brought to you by, well, just me. That's the first time I've ever power washed a deck, and it works pretty well.